How to enable or disable vibration or haptics in silent mode on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. Okay. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. After that, tap on Haptics and then choose Play in silent mode or Don't play in silent mode. Or you can choose Always play, so it doesn't matter whether your phone is in silent mode or not, it will always play haptics or vibration. Or you can completely switch it off by selecting Never Play. And so select your option and then tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.